Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce you Vistula Broaddy system. So let's get started. First of all, you need to enter Broaddy system website, which is vistula.broaddy.com. And after that, you're welcomed by this page. This is our login page. If you are already mentor, you need to just use your mail and password to log in. But if you are new mentor, first register to the Broaddy system. Later, enter your credentials and log into the website. After the registration and logging in, you will see the main page of Broaddy website. After logging in the screen with all the mentees will appear and you can choose who you want to mentor. You can check the information about them by clicking Profile or Take. After Take request, mentee will be notified and you, the mentor, will receive an email with the information of taken mentee. And also, on the left side there is Dashboard and My Students section. In the dashboard, you can see all available mentees, and in the My Students section, you can see the mentees taken by you. In the Profile section of the mentees, you can view all information about them. You can see their countries, faculties, phone numbers, and emails. Also their arrival information to the Poland. In My Students section, you can change the semester and see all your mentees from different periods of time. For example, as you can see, there's summer semesters and winter semester of different years. And that's all for the Broaddy system. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact us via mentor.broaddy@vistula.edu.pl. Thank you for your attention.